button right there, press that subscribe button. Today I'm gonna be doing the Nykaa haul. Long story short, I do not live here, I live in Bangalore. So all of my stuff, all of my makeup, clothes, almost absolutely everything was there and I had nothing over here. There was lockdown going on, so I couldn't really order much, but now the lockdown has been lifted. Nykaa has been delivering pretty soon, so I sat and I ordered a bunch of stuff that I'll be needing for makeup looks and just basic skincare in general, and I wanted to show it to you guys, hoping it might help you guys. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Just want to get few things out of the way before I begin the haul. Alright, so these are the products and there are more. These are the products that I used in my previous video. If you haven't watched it, please go watch it after this video. It's a whole makeup look under 300 and I've showed all of these products and reviewed them over there, so I don't want to do them again and waste time. That's why I just wanted to get this thing out of the way. This is and cover, but I have sanitized them away for a week. I have taken them out now. Please do that whenever you get any parcels, packages, deliveries, anything. Please isolate them for a week at least and do clean them just to be extra sure. So the first thing that I'm going to be talking about is this beauty blender. Alright, it was very pretty pink. I'm supposed to wash it, I just used it, and so that's why it's in this color. But it retails for about 400 and something. It's given over here, I'm not quite sure. It's been a long time that I ordered and I'm doing it now. That's really amazing. It's from Nykaa and it blends so well. I was really shocked. I haven't used a blender before. I generally use brushes. When I used this one, it was so good and it didn't make my face cakey at all, which is the best thing. The only reason why I do not like foundation was because it used to make my face look cakey, but after I started using this beauty blender, it changed the whole game. It was in store, but this one was quite affordable. 400 is pretty good for a beauty blender, so I definitely. Alright, the third product I'm going to be using, that I'm going to be showing, this eyeshadow palette from LA Girl Pro. It's called the Mystery Eyeshadow Palette, and let me just show you beautiful shades. You can see I'm putting it on my eyes right now. Looks amazing. The pigmentation is great. The palette looks so cute. Ow, I just put let's continue with the review. I have used almost like majority of the shades that I have used are amazing. I loved it. This palette retailed for 1800 and change. Yes, it was retailed for 1850, and I think it's a pretty good deal. You get almost
3,000 years later.
I'm weak at math, get over it. There are 16 shades. Also, this is not sponsored by Nykaa or anything. Not that they're gonna sponsor me. I have like 200 subscribers. Anyway, the fourth product that I'm going to be talking about is this Go For Glow face pack. It's a peel off face pack from Nykaa again. Okay, I am obsessed with Nykaa at this point, but in pink, you guys. Oh my god, it's in pink, and come on, look, I have already used it. Obviously, I have used it. It's a peel-off mask, and oh my god, it is so great. I know peel-offs are not that great for your skin, but I use it once a month, and I think it worked. It was really good. This was around 800, but there was a sale going on, so I got it for 500 or 600. I'm not sure, somewhere around that range. For 800 you're getting 50 ml. Okay, that's a little bit pricey. That's honestly a little bit pricey. there market. Why I decided to take this and why I'm reviewing this and saying that it's good is because I have tried it, and unlike the other peel off mask, this is very gentle on your skin. Whenever I used to use the other peel offs, it used to hurt my skin. I used to tear up, and it used to hurt when I'm pulling. But when I used this one, surprisingly it wasn't hurting at all. It was really smooth, very smoothly it came out, and it did take out a little bit of gunk on my nose area. So that's why I like this product. I'm gonna be using this once a month or even less, because generally peel offs are not good for your skin. It came with a little applique. Next one, it's the Nykaa's Prep Me Up. Okay, so far whatever I showed were Nykaa products, and it's a little concerning right now on how much I spend only on Nykaa. Okay, but I didn't want to try this. This was a primer. Before this, I was using the MAC primer, and as I said earlier, all of my makeup is in Bangalore, and that MAC one is definitely getting over. Face primer, it's called the Prep Me Up primer. This is for 500, but on sale I got this for 300 something. It's pretty affordable. It has 30 grams of product in it. I have no complaints regarding this. It honestly worked very good on my skin. It covered all my pores, and the foundation blended called Chocolate Boy. It's a beautiful nude color. I love it. It looks so good. I did want some nude brown shades, and this one was the perfect one. It's very creamy, as you can see. I just love it. The next one is called it's called Pillow Fight. Let me just swatch for you guys. Right. This one is also great. It's very creamy, very formulated, muddy color. It has a little bit of muddy tint in it. It looks great. The next one is the Nykaa's Strobe and Glow highlighter. And to be honest, first of all, when this came, it had a little bit of leakage. Also, it was, see, the product is, I haven't even used it yet, alright? I haven't even used it, and it was very less, and by the time I called them and I talked to them, it was almost a week or 8 days, 8 or 10 days, and according to their policy, they don't refund money after so many days. But the only reason I called after so many days was because I had to sanitize them, isolate them for almost 10 days, and I didn't know the policy. If I knew it, I would have done it much longer, and now I'm considering to use it or not, because it was not sealed and it was really, I don't know, the product is also less, I don't know, I was a little disappointed with this one. However, I did swatch it for you guys, and it is really good. It's very coppery color, and it's cream highlighter, right? So I'm really liking cream highlighter these days, because liquid highlighters, because they don't make your face cakey. The whole problem with makeup for me was, especially foundation, was that it used to be so cakey, and I used to not like it. Alright, the next product is all the Skin Potion Anti-Pigment Facial Oil. It retails for $6.99. Alright, and this one, the highlighter, was for $700. This one is for $700 too. This has about 30 ml of product inside. This is actually not for me. This is for my mom. She wanted anti-pigmentation facial oil. We were using the essential oils before. I had bought, so I'll tell you a little bit of this thing. I had bought 3 lipsticks from Nykaa. I bought the mini ones. I only buy the mini ones because see, we don't use a lot. At least me, I don't use a lot of lipsticks. Almost, I don't apply every single day. Even on normal days when I'm going out, I don't generally apply a lot of lipsticks. So buying a huge one would be completely waste if it expires, and if I don't complete the product, it's just waste of money, and I don't want to do that. That's why I buy the mini ones. So I bought the 3 mini ones. Now I bought them all in nude shades because I'm gonna swatch. This one is called 16M. It doesn't have anything, any name, and it has like, it's like it's for 200 rupees. Very brown and maroon mix. The one that I'm wearing right now is a Bonbon and Huda Beauty mix. The lips, I just mixed it. Now this one is Bonbon, and oh my god, I love this one. This is the perfect browns that I like, and they suit my skin tone really well. They all are for 199. Now what happened was that I think I got some free stuff. I don't know where they are. I got some Nykaa free stuff. I don't know where they are, but this one, okay, I don't know how to swatch. Let's just get that out. I'm not able to. I'm not gonna waste it. This one is called 20M. I think this is Marguerite Caramel something. Caramel Cabinet. It's called Caramel Cabinet. This one's Caramel Cabinet. This is Bonbon, and this is 16M. Anyway, so since I bought a lot of things, Nykaa gave me some free stuff. I don't know. Oh my god. Alright, right when I was talking about this lipstick that I got for free, there were little technicality issues, and then I had to leave, change the setting, blah blah blah. Anyway, I'm gonna swatch it, and I'm going to warn you guys about how red it. Oh my god, I don't wear such red lipsticks. I was really hoping when they were giving free stuff, I was okay. How do you show? Okay. I was really hoping that it would be some brown color, because I really have a lot of red colors and I didn't want more red. Out is LA Pro's concealer. Actually this is concealer, but I'm using it for I haven't used it yet. Okay, for contouring. I haven't tried contouring. I mean, I used to contour, but I haven't tried this one to contour yet. It's a cream contour, and what I've come to realize is that I have a little bit of dry skin near my cheeks, and it's not opening. I'm not gonna swatch. So yeah, so I was saying that I haven't reviewed this yet, but I have heard a lot of good things about this product. Casual, they are telling that it was really good. I wanted to try it. It's a cream concealer. Now I've used bronzers and powdered concealers, and they make my cheek dry up. Mostly because I think near my cheek area I'm a little bit on the drier side, so that's why when I put compact and then foundation and all of that, I think it becomes very very cakey. That's why I wanted to try the cream one. Haven't gotten a chance yet. Now with that, I think I got this free. This is the lip, it's called the Lipify Style One Swipe Intense Cream Color, LA Girls. I got it for free. Again, it's a red color. Now come on, I really wanted some other color, but but the creaminess is on other level. It is so creamy. It's very creamy. One thing I didn't like about this is that there's a roller for it to come out, but when I roll it, I can't roll it back. So it gets stuck like this, and it's really concerning for the cap. I mean, what if it smudges? I don't like doing such. The next one is this Mama Earth Onion Hair Mask. Oh my! When I come to Hyderabad, I have a lot of hair fall for some reason. I don't know, my hair just doesn't like this water, and because I stayed here for almost more than 6 months now, so that's why my hair is acting really weird, and I wanted to fix the issue. That's why I started applying this, and oh my god, instantly I noticed my hair getting really smooth. It was really shiny. It's still work in progress. It is 200 grams for 600, but there was an offer, I guess. I'm not sure, but I think 600 is a good amount for. There's a lot of product inside. It's not like, oh my god, yeah. There is a lot of product. It smells good. Definitely recommend you guys to try out the onion hair mask. It is really good. Now on to the next product. This is the Bio Cucumber Biotiques Toner. I am just restocking this. My one that I already used got over, so I'm restocking it. This is for 175. It's pretty cheap compared to the amount they're giving. I mean, it's really worth it. From the time that I started using it, my acne scars have been reducing. Acne is also reducing. What it does is it removes all the extra dirt left over after cleansing your face, or even exfoliating it. That's one good thing about toner, and everyone should use toner. It minimizes your pores. Overall, it seals the skin. So that's it for the Nykaa haul. I hope you guys found this helpful. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Gucci, Louis, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Louis, Fendi.